Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to learn about depreciation. This is very important. We hear right, rupee ka value గిర గయా, రూపాయి పతనం అయిపోయింది. We hear right, that is about this thing, fall of rupee value. You will understand, okay, everything. Why this is not bad for economy. It is very healthy for a growing economy like India. Let us understand. This is how people who don't know about depreciation will shout on economy and rupee, Indian growth. But today, after our class, we will be able to understand how why it is good to our economy and exporters, and how it is disastrous for Indian economy. And both we will learn. Okay, next. First, we need to know about exchange rate. What is this exchange rate? This is very simple. Suppose dominating currencies in the world are what? One is dollar. Other is European euro, right? Pound. These are dominating because if we convert this dollar into Indian rupees, it will be around 75, and euro will be around 80 plus. Even pound will be 80. So from this we can. This is the exchange rate. Okay, this is exchange rate. Fine. Then we will go on to next thing. What is depreciation? First, this is dollar, right? If we suppose we want to convert it into rupees, how much? So for converting, $1 will be equal to more rupees, right? Around 75. So this is the thing. If depreciation happens, what it will happen? $1 will increase, will give rise to so much of rupees. Okay, will be increasing. Dollar value means nothing but depreciation in rupee. That is, for $1 we need to pay more rupees. Fine. This is what happens. Okay, this thing happens when we import lot of things, then this kind of situation will happen. Next, this is depreciation. Next, what is appreciation? Reverse of depreciation, right? Means increase of our value. See, increase of a value means not 1 rupee is equal to $1 is equal to more rupees, but reverse. $1 will give less. Less rupees. That means we are strong, right? We are able to purchase a dollar with less rupees. Okay, less number of rupees. Previous depreciation, we were giving for purchasing $1, we were giving around 80. Means after appreciation, it will get reduced into 60, 65. This is appreciation. Okay, this is when this happens, when there is a lot of income of or flowing of dollars into our country, then so many dollars are available, so with less rupees we can buy. Like this is simple, like demand and supply of dollars. If suppose thousands of dollars are there, so we can purchase these dollars with less rupees. So there we are having appreciation. Suppose we have $10 for whole country, there is a lot of demand, so our rupee has to be very high to purchase this single dollar. That is depreciation, fall of rupee value. Next, this is next. People use these terms for interchangeably, right? But they are entirely different. Okay, even the main theme of that both the term is same. That is reduction in rupee value, but both are different terms in economy. What are these? Suppose a country, a central government or a central bank intentionally reduce means reduce itself, making reduction, depreciation of its own value, that is own rupee or own currency, then that is called devaluation. Suppose due to demand and supply of goods or something, market forces, the exchange rate changes, then that is called depreciation. Devaluation is due to intentional change of government to what is the reason for improving their export. This is the what reason for US China trade wars, because China, even its currency is good in a world economy, it is trying to depreciate, that is devaluate its currency intentionally, so that it can export more goods into USA. You are unable to understand, right? There is no link why how a depreciation will help one country to export more. I will give you example. See, there is an exporter. Okay, there is an exporter. See, this is USA and this is China. China is a manufacturing hub, so it tries to export. Export. Suppose a person in USA has $2. Okay, let us make it India so that we can use our currency. Okay, so he exports. So you want to export from India to some another person who is willing to buy some shirt. Okay, shirt. So if depreciation of our Indian currency happens, what will happen? For one, suppose due to depreciation, Indian currency has fell into 80, 80 rupees. So this shirt cost is how much? 40 rupees. 40 rupees. So with $2, you will be getting how many shirts? 2 into 60, 40, 160. Sorry, 2 into 80, 160. Means 4 shirts he is getting. Suppose India value appreciates. $1 is equal to 40 rupees. Then how many shirts will getting? He will be getting only 2, right? Means so he will be approaching to another country where depreciation is taking place. So it is depreciation is what exporters expects. See, that is what I have trying to express with this Drake meme. See, exporters reaction for appreciation, they don't like it. For depreciation, they like. Now you got right. That is the thing. Next. So similarly, importer will be in a opposite view of depreciation, right? Suppose uh, from India, from India, a person want to import some, let it be Lamborghini car, okay, car. So he want to, he should be giving, he have to give in dollars, right? Dollars. So suppose Indian rupee has appreciated, appreciated. Then means appreciated means less number of rupees. It has went to 50 rupees. Okay, then less amount of this car, let it be $10. So he has to give around 500 rupees. 500 rupees to purchase that car. So importers like appreciation. Appreciation. They hate depreciation. Why they hate depreciation? Suppose $10 car. If depreciation happens, this goes into 80 rupees. So in depreciation, he has to pay $800. That is why importers hate depreciation. They like appreciation. Now you got why Drake is smiling? That is the reason. Next. See, I already told. While depreciation is happening, exporters are the winners. Because with less dollars, they will be getting more products. Right? Domestic tourist industry. Okay? Because why exporter will be happy? Because he is getting so much of orders, right? So many of orders. When one country's rupee is depreciating, what will happen? Other countries who are a rich country will be expecting more goods from that country, because with their own strong currency, strong dollar, they will be able to get more goods with single dollar. Then then they will be looking for a country which have depreciation of currency. So that is the reason China is depreciating its own currency and making its goods cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. That is the reason these issues are happening. That is why countries devalue their currency. Fine. See, if a country keep on exporting, what it will be getting? Dollars. So even this country becomes developed country. So even its own currency will also be appreciating. Suppose India value is $1 equal to 70 rupees. But you know how much is the exchange rate of $1 equal to China's RMB? That is around 9 RMB, I think. RMB. So this is the case because its value is decreasing because there is a lot of dollars are coming into China, so that they will be having supply of good supply means even rate of everything will decrease, right? Suppose at the beginning of our pandemic, all the medicines were too high because there was no supply. All the pharmaceutical companies were closed. But after production started, the prices start to decrease because supply was high. When supply is high, prices will decrease. Similarly, here, what is a good we are talking about? Currency, that is dollar. If more dollar are there, less rupee we have to pay. Less money you have to pay in local currency. Suppose less dollars are there, more rupee. That is the trick in depreciation and appreciation. Reverse of depreciation is appreciation. Reverse of devaluation is revaluation. That is what you have to remember. See how Chini is smiling. How cunningly Donald Trump is smiling. That is the reason there are a lot of issues happening in this US China. Because Chini Mama is depreciating. That is not depreciation, devaluation. Because government is doing, not market forces are reducing the currency value. That is we have to learn from this thing. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a like. Thank you. All the best.